open this.
Ooh, Gideon, what's all that good stuff?
With other.
Yeah, you'd love to play with it all.
It's this Bartolomeo Junior and Larry.
Yeah.
I think it's Christmas one.
Yeah, the new VeggieTales Christmas one.
I can't wait to see it.
Good. Can you get it? Gideon wants some paper too.
Okay, I want to. Oh. Yeah.
Great. That's a huge one. Mommy did a horrible job wrapping that. You gotta open the other end.
Okay,
Tape? What is tape?
Yeah.
okay.
I only had packing tape.
There you go.
What's all in it? Lots of craft stuff.
Num.
Markers.
Marcos, what's this?
Those are little sequin things.
What's this?
That's glitter. Glitter glue, Judith.
Yeah, good.
You're gonna love it.
What's this?
That's a birthday tiara, slightly squished. So we can decorate that for your party tomorrow. Little wooden things so you can color. Yay! Lots of stuff for you to do.
Yeah. Okay, now this one.
One more.
Is there some upstairs for me to open?
The ones upstairs are for Christmas. We have to wait a month for those.
I can't wait to try it out.
Yeah, Gideon's gonna love this too. Yeah, it's the bounce back racer.
Can I try it out? I'll try it.
You want to play with it?
Yeah.